Hey there, discover the CMY Cubes C Cube, a stunning 15 Cyan hue optical color cube that teaches subtractive color mixing. This diamond-polished masterpiece adds elegance and smoothness to your collection while showcasing vibrant blue brilliance. Combine it with other CMY cubes to create endless color possibilities through electromagnetic color fusion. Each cube is coated with special materials that blend and transform colors in mesmerizing ways. Collect cyan, magenta, and yellow cubes to unlock a world of visual delights and unique color experiences. Perfect for educational, scientific, physics, and kinetic art desk displays, this cube inspires creativity and exploration. Experience the magic of subtractive color mixing with the captivating C Cube today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.